Hello, in today's video I will show you how to set up client machines. In the previous video I showed you how to set up Windows 10, Windows 22 and ePFire. In today's I will show you how to set up Windows 10 and 11 and connecting to the domain. So first we start from creating a new virtual machine. Let's call it Win11. We start from the 11, generation 2. We give it 4 GB. Then next we connect it to the LAN. Give it 100 GB, should be more enough. We go to Windows 11. Next, finish. Now we're going to here and change the to 2. The course need to be 2, and remember to press space when you're starting the new machine. So now you're going here and choose your keyboard layout and time and currency. Click next. I'm pretty sure there will be error because there will be not enough resources for the machine. So yeah, this is the error. This PC can't run Windows 11. Press Shift and F10 and type regedit or go to the HK local machine system setup, take new key lab zone v. Remember to type with the capital L and C. It should be okay. So new devq32 bypass tpm. Oh, sorry, modify. Rename. Check. Now just take new. Just replace it with RAM. New with CPU. And new, and this one will be secure boot to bypass secure boot. Check. There we go. Now we need to just change on every of this to 1. Here we go. Now we should just go out of this, click next, and it should work as you can see. So just go. So just take custom, next, and we need to just wait. I won't start the Windows 10 installation because my PC doesn't have enough resources to carry both Windows 11 and 10 at the same time with the ePFire and the Windows 22. So we will wait on it, but it's pretty much the same. Just on the Windows 10 you don't need to bypass everything of that because it's much lighter and it should run on that amount of RAM without any problem. Okay, as we can see, it finished. Let's press restart now. As we can see, the Windows 11 is finished. Choose your region. I will just take Poland. It doesn't matter for me. Take the keyboard also on Polish. Skip. Okay, so now it's finished. So if you don't want to sign in with Microsoft account, just sign in options, domain join instead. Yeah, I just take the not QWERTY1. It's just was a mistake. Just create a password. Okay, security questions. Next, I just fill them out with some bullshit to just skip them. Okay. I need to just change the keyboard layout from this one to programmer, not to the. Okay, so the Windows 11 is set it up. I will set it up to connect to the domain, and then I will show you how to do it in Windows 10. It's pretty similar, just in one different place you need to find one thing. There we go. Now we have successfully created Windows 11 machine. So to connect it to other, you just go in here on the File Explorer, show more options, properties, then you go to domain or workgroup. So here you just take change. You can just call it Win11 or whatever, you just leave it, doesn't matter really. So now we need to go, it's important to go to remember your domain that you created. So we're gonna go on Hyper-V Windows 22. So here you just go wait till everything starts, and your domain is right here. That's my domain. You created yourself you should create it yourself. So now you go to the Windows 11 and type that domain. Okay. Now we need to connect yes, administrator. This is the login to the Windows 22 credentials. So now okay, there will say welcome to domain, just press OK. You must restart, just say OK. And one more thing we're gonna do before restarting. Here, remote confirm. We want that to let the users connect. So now we're gonna administrate the users and computers. Just create a new O organization group or organization unit, I want to say. Just take what we can call it. We can call it a firm, and just create in that one. We just say IT. Okay. So here we can just create IT, create a user, something like that, password, or create a password. Just user must change the on the logon, finish, and we can add one more to test to verify if it's okay, or we can just do this properties, and we're gonna add the profile path and everything later. Just for now we leave it empty. Member of here, domain users. Okay, it is already a domain user, so we don't need to change that. We can change that, add it to IT. Okay, apply. So now we can copy and paste one more user. So this one we can just say just take this small there. Finish. Okay, so now we should be able to go on other users and should be able to log in with the domain. The user must change the password. Okay. Okay, now we should be able to log in. Your password has been changed. To sign in remotely, you need to oh yeah, I forgot one thing to show you. You need to add the domain users to allow you need to allow the domain users to log on remotely. I forgot to show you that. You just go to the settings. I think it was in settings on Windows 11. Go on the remote setting, desktop settings. Here, add domain users. Okay, domain users, just okay, and now sign out. Now you should be able to do it to sign in remotely with domain user. So now as you can see, you can do it without any problem. We will sign in with the other user, and we will set up a Windows 10 computer. In the next video I will probably show you how to set up here at that you can see the virtual disk from your server. So as you can see, we are signed in as the user as that I created. To confirm that, I can to switch user and do this. Oh no, that was not the password. That was the password. Your password has been changed. Okay. Now, as you can see, no problem, you can sign in. So now I will set up the Windows 10. I will probably cut out most of the things because it is pretty much the same. So and as you can see, we are connected to the domain network. I can show you. Here we go, 25. And here is the DNS. If you can't connect to the DNS, you go on the here, go to control panel, you go on the network and internet, network sharing center, Ethernet or Wi-Fi if you okay. So we I clicked wrong thing here. So you go to IPv4 here and you just type the DNS 2 because that's our Windows server, and here we can put ipfile as the second DNS as the alternative. So as you saw, you don't need to do it because probably it will automatically do it, but maybe you but when you have problem to connect to the domain, just do it. So I turn off the wrong computer. Windows. Let's just. So now I can show you how to set up Windows 10. So just find the Windows 10 installation, just press finish. So now you can just turn it on. Okay, remember to press space when you turn the machine on the first time. So now go to the here, install. I don't have product key, this is just to show you how to do it. I accept the license term. Next, I just show really quickly because this is pretty much the same as Windows 11, just you don't need to do the regedit and add the bypass. So I'll be back when it's finished. Okay, now we're in the setup of Windows 10. I just choose Polish programmers, skip. Okay, now we can sign with domain join instead. Here, create a user. Wait. Like this. Password. Just put some bullshit in here. There we go. So now we just wait. I just say no to everything. And so now we just wait until it restart. Oh, or maybe not. Okay. As you can see, it has restarted. Here. So we just log in, and now you go to File Explorer, Properties, and rename this PC. Or no, wait. On Windows 10 you didn't do it like this, but you go into the control panel. Control panel, just search on domain, join domain. So you just put it here. You can do it the same as on the Windows 10, 11. Just name it. You don't need it. You don't need to name it. Just if you want. Here. Okay. Yeah. You can't have space in the name of your computer. Okay. Just we can wait with that. We go to the we can go to the settings now. Settings. So search on remote settings. Enable it. Confirm. And now we can go here. Allow remote access to your computer. We need to restart first, and then we can add the domain users. Allow the domain users to log in. We need just to wait until it have restarted. Here we go. Now we just allow the domain users to log in remotely. Here you go. You go just select users, add, just type in domain name. There we go. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, they are here. Allowed. So it's enough to sign out and log in as a domain user. We can just here as you can see, I can log in, no problem. And so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I will show you how to add the virtual disk from your Windows server. So thank you for watching and goodbye.